Hello YouTube. I just got this package in the mail not too long ago, about 20 minutes ago. And it's a switch comb. Yeah, let me try to open this here. I'm only using one hand, so it's kind of hard. I guess it kind of looks like a real switchblade, but it has a comb instead of a blade. You can comb your hair, and it has no lock. This isn't a swivel bolster here. No lock whatsoever. Not a very strong spring. See, as you can see, it's just that little line, that little thing you see right there is actually the spring itself. And let's compare this here to my, well, not my real switchblade. It's not an actual Italian switchblade. It's a knockoff from China, but let's compare it. Okay, well, see, you can tell right away this one looks extremely fake. Really fake, actually. And it has this little thing so you could put it on your keychain. And the lock isn't very good here. It's, let's see, it says stainless steel. Let's see if I can get this to focus on it. Stainless steel. And I'll just show you guys this one since it's right here. It's pretty good, I guess. My first switchblade. Even though it's a knockoff, I guess it's alright. See, let's see right here. Italian Milano. China. God, I hate this thing. It doesn't focus right. Sorry, I tried to get a camera. I'm using my iPhone right now. But yeah, that's the review. I guess I could show you guys the box here. Folding pocket comb, slide down small button to unlock, then push button for quick ejection of comb. Yeah, we get it. Adult novelty comb, do not open near face. And that's the whatever item number. Los Angeles, California, yeah, blah blah blah, nobody cares. And yeah, it just came in this thing here. And I think, I don't know, I had to open it with this knife here. I don't know why, but I had to open the package with this knife. So yeah, here's a comb. Show you one last time. I'll try to upload more videos more often. Okay, goodbye.